Alright, so this is GMOs and their mark on the world, created by myself, Mariah Blancas. So what are GMOs anyways? GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are organisms that are genetically engineered where the genetic makeup was altered to enhance the specific desired trait that is not normal to their original genetics. So how are GMOs made? First, you have to identify the wanted trait and look for that trait in another organism. Once that trait is found, you have to make copies of that desired trait. They then insert that copy of a gene into the DNA of the organism, and finally, the scientists let the trait grow in the organism over time and test its safety until it's allowed to be sold to farmers. Where can they be found? Okay, GMOs can be genetically engineered into plants and animals. There are many countries that support GMOs and have a high MHA, million hectares, used to grow GMO crops. The United States has the highest MHA at 70.9 MHA. Other countries like Brazil, Argentina, India, and Canada also have a high MHA. On the other hand, there are many countries that have a total ban on GMO products, such as countries like France, Germany, Austria, Greece, and Italy. These countries believe that there is not enough evidence to prove that GMO products are reliable or safe. And you may be asking yourself, what does this concern me? Or how does this concern me? Well, GMOs can be found in everything without you even knowing it. So everyone is involved. What are the pros and cons of GMOs? Some pros of GMOs are that they have fewer pesticides because of an insect-resistant gene commonly found in BT corn. GMOs also contain more nutrients for consumers, and they are cheaper to produce as they can grow fast based on the genes. Some cons is that they may kill organisms that we didn't mean to harm, and the unintended organism meant to be killed may become invincible. There's also insufficient testing and research on GMOs to label them as safe. There's risk in losing genetic diversity, and there are many hidden costs. And also, they may cause allergic reactions. And so, what does the future hold for these GMOs? The future is very uncertain for GMOs based on the controversy of if they are safe for the public with the lack of evidence. But one thing that is clear is that without proper testing and time, we will never know the official long-term effects of supporting these genetically modified organisms. And without these answers, more countries will continue to ban the products altogether.